just gotta go hard. I go the hardest. I bring the pain. Not what you used to. It's all part of the game. Yeah, I just gotta go hard. I just gotta go hard. Go hard. Yeah. Oh yeah, the beast back. Adrenaline pumping through my veins, can't relax. Original, I am not the same as these cats. I sting them if they never ever mind and they beeswax. I don't ever cap, but I'm wearing like 3 hats. Never been a rat, but I know where the cheese at. You'll never get a trophy cause they all here where we at. You better believe that.
So what do you guys think of this little drift RC car? This thing performs quite nice and is a ton of fun, especially for a budget little RC. But what we're going to do next is we're going to go ahead, we're going to point the camera down. I want to show you everything that you get with the car. We're going to take a closer look at the car. That way you know everything that you're going to get. Alright, so here's everything right here. First thing you can see is this bright purple battery. You will get 2 of these batteries. You are going to get a charge cord for charging it up. With 2 batteries, you get twice the fun. Being rechargeable, you don't have to buy batteries for the car, just the controller. So you're going to get tons of fun without having to buy a ton of batteries. You're going to get a Phillips screwdriver. That's for removing these battery doors so you can swap out batteries in the controller and in the car. This is what your controller is going to look like. It's black with the neon green. You have your off-on switch right here in the front, your little antenna on the top. This is your steering. You have reverse and forward. Now, this is what you really want to see. This is the little drift car right here. It does have a Lexan body on it. This one is the black and the neon green and white. It's got a spoiler on the back. It is a durable little car. We actually had a lot of fun driving this and drifting it around the driveway and stuff. Now it will be better on carpets and hard floors, but if you do take it outside, it's more than capable for driving on concrete and cement and sidewalks and asphalt. It's not going to go in grass and dirt because it is made for drifting, of course. So we're going to go ahead and flip the car over, and this is where the magic happens. These are actually hard plastic wheels, and as you can tell, it is a 4-wheel drive car. So you're actually drifting with all 4 wheels spinning. It is fully functional RC. You have right and left, forward and back, and it's actually quite a capable and real drifter. How cool is that? So of course this is a little budget RC car, but it's going to make for a great Christmas gift, stocking stuffer, birthday present, or just anytime present. And dads, if you buy this for your kids, you're probably going to have as much fun with it as they are. I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.